Hi, my name is Hans Fleur. In this episode, we are going to give my son Rex's boat a total refit. The Interceptor was built in 2006. There is a 70 horsepower Mercury behind it and good for a speed of 80 kilometers. We sprayed them with a friend, Mark dined them in spring 2021. The color of the deck is a special color gray and the lower part is matte black. The interior is also a total refit. She looks beautiful. Despite the age of this lady, she will last a long time. The boat has now been moved to the spray booth to be prepared to spray. This boat is a tough and rare ship. It's made for speed. Mark is now busy putting the hull in several coats of primer. He does a great job. A lot of sanding so that the boat is totally smooth, and that's the trick. The engine is also ready to be sprayed. Here are some shots from different angles to illustrate the beautiful lines the boat has. This is the old interior, but now the new interior is super cool. It was a big job to restore this boat, but in the end she turned out very beautiful. Thanks for looking. Information about this boat: long, 4.20 meters, wide, 1.50 meters, deep V hull, powered by Mercury 70 horsepower auto lube, in top condition, top speed 80 kilometers, sprayed in two colors, special gray and matte black, interior completely new tent, new trailer. Contact hansfleur56@gmail.com. I have a lot of other videos on YouTube about my projects. Thanks and please subscribe.